etc.
The general objective of our research is to determine the prevalence of computer vision syndrome and its risk factors among FSK UKM students. There are 6 specific objectives for our research. The first one is to determine the number of complaints of computer vision syndrome symptoms. The second is to find out the relationship between computer vision syndrome and walking distance from computer screen to eyes. The third one is to determine the association between computer vision syndrome and sitting posture. Next, to determine the number of hours spending on computers and the frequency of break while using computer. Next, to determine the usage of screen filters and adjustment of screen brightness. The last one is to investigate the effect of uncorrected vision problems on computer vision syndrome.
For the applicability and use of results from the project that our group conducts, we can find out the prevalence of computer vision syndrome and its risk factor among FSK UKM students. We are using cross-sectional method, which is distributing the questionnaire to our subjects. We collect the data in this way is to save our time. Those who score more than 6 in questionnaire will be counted have computer vision syndrome. We are using particular counting method to get the scoring. The survey will be conducted among students from Faculty of Health Science in National University of Malaysia between April and June 2020, which expected will take 3 months. We decided to collect the data within these 3 months because UKM students will have class that time and make us easier to distribute the questionnaire. Personal factors that include duration of computer usage, frequency of break, sitting posture, working distance between the eyes and computer, and uncorrected vision problems. While the computer factor like brightness of computer screen will be asked in questionnaire. This will help us diagnose if a person have infected from CVS more accurately and cause us to know which factors have the highest risk. Students who we take as subjects should be aged between 19 to 40 years old. This is because at this age, people are more prone to use gadgets in their daily living. The inclusion of subjects is they need to use gadgets for at least 1 hour per day. This is because they will be more prone to get CVS. So from that, also we can diagnose the associated factors of CVS better. A self-administered questionnaire was used to correct social demographic data, symptoms of CVS and its associated factors. The corrected data was then analyzed using the SPSS statistical software. That particular software was used because it can help us analyze the data more accurately and simplify our words. According to all the articles that our group members have gone through, and through our group discussion, we have made some estimation for result. The prevalence of CVS in the study population is estimated to be 70%. For the prevalence of CVS, we expect higher in female gender compared to male gender. We believe that the estimation can be applied since most of the articles also have same diagnosis. In order to get a more accurate data, all of the articles that we found was 10 years recently. By doing this, we can get the updated data and decrease the risk to get the information of data that was outdated and can be applied in this age. Another reason is to make our research more useful and can contribute some effort to the community.